Alright, good morning everybody. So, took a little day off, reassessing everything, was getting caught up in stuff. So, just took a break yesterday and, ready to tackle this again. So, on GU, we were stating the fact that we hit negative 27%, and the official higher low point was, where is that? Right here. Right now, on these lower time frames, it never really made a retrace, but on these, such as H1 and M30, but it maintained all these higher low points. Right. So from where we're at right now, we do have some long wicks to the top and some volume slowing down for a bullish trend, but we haven't even broken anything yet. So as long as we maintain these points all along here, we can be in more of an uptrend structure. Now we are starting to create lower high points as well, so we do have to take caution about that. But let's wait and see what happens. That's some more data to come in and see how these exhaustion areas close, because yeah, we're in unmarked territory right now. So all we have is candlestick analysis and structure wise. Alright. So GJ. So originally I was having more of a short-term sell bias, seeing how H4 never made a actual retrace, but I never took in consideration that H1 never broke structure either. All this was a retrace to 38.2%. Now if we use 38.2%, we need a little bit more data. So this was the official, we were already making lower high points on the bottom. Right, already making lower high points on the bottom. And then right along here was a really break with the transition. And as we can see, it respected this uptrend. So yeah, I was getting caught up on lower time frames, so I kind of took a step back and one, got away from the charts, and then two, reassessed myself and my psychology. So yeah, this never broke anything on these lower time frames to make us consider more of sells. Right, all I did was maintain the levels of support. In here, this was just a little consolidation to 50%. If you do, yeah, so 50% can look like it gets respected and then still break, and then we are still maintaining bias. So yeah, based off H1, we are still aiming for that negative 27%. All right. Yeah, it needs to come all the way back down here for it to be invalid. And on top of it, look at that volume too. It's extremely, there's a lot of volume, even on this daily candle. A lot of volume. Oh, excuse me. So we are still anticipating more bullish momentum to come in and push back this main resistance. AU, Now we were calling this area out that it could give us problems because of the exhaustion and stuff like that, which that's exactly what it did. So we had this long wick and this engulfing, bearish engulfing right in here. And if we break it down, we did break a, excuse me. Yeah, we did break an area right in here. Right. So, yeah. Let's see if we can get to a retrace of 23.6%. What would be nice is to be able to get to 38.2%. Damn, excuse me. Let's look to the left. Now we do have all of that right around 23. Yeah, that area can kind of still be seen on a daily time frame. Plus, this was all 23.6% on daily too. So, yeah, we are possibly in more of a transition, seeing of how this is forming. And on top of that, we have, yeah, I would say this is definitely transition. Not necessarily break a structure, but a break a level of support right in here, for sure. So we have to take cautious right around here. Or I would take cautious right around here. But our main point is at 38.2% retrace. Alright. And then US30. So we were basing it off of M30 because H4 never really had a steep retrace of any kind. Never found resistance or anything. Plus, on top of that, we are still in one push. Right, for the daily. In fact, we can just take this line. And just stay down. Alright. So, we still do have quite a ways away. Let's get to it. And yeah, it looks like we are kind of slowing down as well. But, again, so we had our little analysis right here, and we did hit TP1. This was just 23.6%, and we haven't even broken anything to see if this was the actual official higher high, or if this is just another 23.6% area. Alright, so let's see if we can get to negative 61.8%. And if we do, we can pull out our fibs from A to B. Also, though, we are going to take cautious around how these higher time frames are forming, because these candles are starting to get smaller in relative terms. Yeah, I would start taking cautious. If it starts breaking all these minor levels, yeah, the official lower high point, or higher low point, sorry, is right there. But it also depends on how these candlesticks form on these higher time frames to see if it breaks these minor levels right in here. So, but as of right now, it's maintaining a level of support, so we are still anticipating more of a uptrend. Alright, so that's about it. Let's have a good day, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.